Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep saying goodbye. Are you ready? Let's start drawing. First, I draw Suzy sheep's eyes. Then, I draw her face. Let's add her mouth and her cute cheeks. Now, I draw the crown on Suzy's head. Wow, she looks like a little princess. Next, I draw her body. Let's draw her hand. Does it look like Suzy is holding something? Oh, that's a photo, right? Suzy looks really sad because she has to say goodbye to Peppa Pig. Now, let's draw Peppa Pig. We start with her eyes. Then, I draw her nose and her face. Don't forget her two ears. Now, I draw her cheeks and her smiling mouth. Next, I draw Peppa Pig's body and her hands. Let's add her feet and her curly tail. Finally, we draw the picture in Suzy sheep's hand. That's a special memory between Suzy sheep and Peppa Pig. They share a wonderful friendship. Oh no! Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep are crying. Don't be sad, Peppa and Suzy. You'll see each other again soon. Alright, it's time to color. Let's color together. First, I color Peppa Pig's face, arms, legs, and tail using light pink. Next, I color Peppa Pig's dress with light red. And don't forget her pink cheeks. For Suzy's dress, I used the same pink color that I used for Peppa's cheeks. Now, let's color the crown. I use yellow, red, and green. For the tears, I use blue bow for Peppa and Suzy. And finally, let's color the picture that Suzy is holding. Great job, everyone! You did amazing! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye!